Okay, well, welcome back. In this video we're gonna be removing my back bumper and snow flap. So I'll show you how to do that. And if you didn't watch the last video, we put Fox racing shocks on it, float 3, and looks pretty good. I'm happy on how it turned out. And less talking and let's get back to taking off this back bumper. So what you will need will be drill bits. Now this is not the stock bumper, but you will be if you have the stock bumper on, it's like the same method, except the stock bumper, I believe, if I remember correctly, does not have rivets. But if you have rivets, then what is wrong with this? Open. If you have rivets, then you will need drill bits and a drill. So what you want to do now is once you have your drill bits, okay, there we go. Find the one that fits your rivets. So I'll probably go one more smaller than that, and it doesn't seem to be there. What about this one? I'll probably try this one, or I'll try this one. Forget. So put the drill in your drill bit and start drilling it. That one too. See, my drill bit is a little bigger than the rivet, so make sure it is the right size. For me, I'm not pissed or anything, because I have a new bumper on the way. That is why I'm also taking it off right now. The stock bumper will have like bolts like this here. These are out of the stock bumper that I put into this bumper. I'll leave that side for now. Then come to your other side and do the exact same thing you did to the other side. Now I'm going to take off these ones. I wonder if it's the same this size. Yep. Not quite. There's a nut on the back side. I have wrenches, but I don't know if I have the right size. Oh, I do. Look at that. Let's go. There. That one's out. And if you're wondering what nut size it is, I'm using a 10. Okay, so once you got the bolts and nuts out, see, they're still kind of being held on somehow. Ow! That's gonna bleed like heck now. God damn it. I'm gonna go with a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna stick it down here. I'm gonna pry a little bit out because the rivets still seem to be attached a little bit. Okay, got my flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna put it down here. If that's not working, take your drill and try drilling the rivets out again. I'm gonna try down here first though. Nope. You have to drill them out a little bit more if it's not coming off. I'm gonna try pry it out now again. There. I'm gonna try a smaller drill bit. Oh, I broke it inside the hole. That's not good. I'm gonna try my screwdriver over here again. There. Now, if you're trying to save your bumper, maybe don't use a screwdriver. Maybe, I don't know. Where is it even holding on over here? Here, found it. I don't even know how it's being hold. Don't even know how it's even holding that on. But anyway, I think it's this. There, now I should let go. Oh, another one over here as well. There, maybe now. There. Now. You should be able to just pull it back. There. Just like that, your bumper is off. Now let's see the damage. I drew that hole a little bit bigger. I did that one a little bit bigger. That rivet didn't come out, I guess, or not fully. I'm gonna drill that through. All of these, this one's good, that one's good. What about this side? All these holes are good. These two rivets, I don't even think that's the rivet here. I don't know what that is. There's a rivet here. It's not fully out. On this side, I only made one hole a little bit bigger, which is not that bad. Now I'm just gonna use, this is why I have this little screwdriver. It'd be better if it was straight and not bent, but it was not bent, it's made like this, but preferably I wish I had a straight one. I do, but I don't have one here. So I'm gonna go and see if I can get the rest of them out. There, oh, that hole's a little bigger now. Same with that one a little bit. Shit. That is a rivet there. Okay. Alright, well, once your bumper is off, now let's find out how we take off this mud flap. So, seems like it's these rivets here that need to be gone. So here, it's already like loose. I'm gonna take another one actually. Maybe if I try to drill more. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get some vice grips and put it on the back of it so it'll stop spinning while I drill. So hopefully that works. We got vice grip on it. I'm gonna come behind here and hold it and start drilling again. Haha. That's the way to do it. So if I can get this thing to let go now. Do the same thing. Put it on. There we go. Another one. Do the same thing to this one. There. And then the final one. There we go. Now it should just pop off. Yep, just like that. Came off. And this way, we still save the mud flap in one way. I'm not gonna throw it away, I'm gonna keep that. The light, on the other hand, should come off fairly easy. I'm not sure. Looks like it's just like it seems to be just clipped in there. It's clipped in there pretty good, that's for sure though. There, that one's out. That one's out as well. Something is still holding it though. I have no clue what. Oh. There's two, and I mean two, tiny little bolts. I think I have a socket that fits it. We're about to find out in a second, so I'll be back. Let's see if this one fits. Nope, smaller. Whew. I'm getting scared that I might not have one. Okay, that's good news. It's bigger than that one. So this is the next one up. Oh, this is the next one up and doesn't fit. And the one after that is missing. You gotta be kidding me. Oh God. Oh. Number 4, that almost fit. Number 5. What? Number 6? Come on, one of them has to fit, please, please. I'm so confused. Number 5 doesn't fit. And number 6 is too big. Last time I checked, there's no number in between those two. I got these. These are like my last hope probably. Before I take the drill bit to it. Dude. Why would they make something like that, eh? Well, there's no going back now. Pray to God. I don't know what the hell's going on now. It's not actually working now. Something would have to mess me up, eh? Wait! Oh my God! That one must have been in the wrong one or something. The one that was missing from here was over there. Dude! I'm so happy I didn't mess up the threads or anything yet. And this one's loose on top of that. Like if we would the vice grips would have hooked good enough on this one, we would have probably got it out with the vice grips. Oh, I'm so happy that we found the right size. Get up. And now there's gonna be a plug-in under here that you need to unplug. Obviously. Like that. Perfect. And just like that, there's no more mud flap or bumper on the Skidoo. Now, I just gotta go inside of my house and get my other mud flap that I bought last winter, and I'm gonna install it on here. So, I'll see you in a few minutes. I actually cannot believe how good this thing is looking right now. Like, look at those Fox shocks. Again, I'm probably gonna say this a million times, but like, I can't get over the way it looks. I'm so happy. Here's my mud flap. See, this is off this is off of Gen 4, so like that, you know, right off the back. Instead of down. Or you probably could hook it like that as well. But it looks like we're gonna have to do some cutting to make it fit perfect. I don't know. I might just attach it all up there right now to see what it would be looking like. Come on. See if the light also works as well. That looks pretty dope. It's not bolted up yet or anything, but if we drill 2 holes right down here, we will line up directly with the holes down the slot. Like right there is perfect, I would say. And then put two bolts down here, and then drill 2 holes down the plastics here, and then drill another 2 more holes right into the frame. 'Cause I don't think, yeah, there's no the rad does not run there, so we can drill right down there in the tunnel and throw another 2 bolts right here, so there'd be 4 bolts in total in this thing. But before I do any more work, I'm gonna go start the Skidoo and make sure that light actually comes on. If the plug is not the right thing, then what I'm gonna do is have to take out the light out of that one and pop it into there. It should be the exact same. Looks like it, at least. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab my key and make sure that light works. Okay, I got the key. Now for the final moment of truth. Oh, let's go. Let's go. And the bright light works as well. That is perfect. I won't run it too long because she's low on fuel. But yepper, It's coming along really nice and really good. Washer and nut on. That's good. If I had like a bolt here, would be perfect. I think that's pretty straight. Looks pretty straight. Well, I think that's where I'm gonna leave it. It looks pretty good there. So I'm gonna drill. No, right there I think look is I think right there is where it's gonna stay. For right now I'll just tighten up these ones, I guess, because I currently don't have bolts for it. Don't want to put it too tight, because, you know, it only is just plastic. There. Now, probably won't do it on video, but I'll drill another hole through the frame for these bolt holes here, and only thing I'll be missing after that will be the bumper, because I don't have the bumper in this video, but I'll probably film myself putting on the bumper, that's for sure. But hope this helped you on how to take off a mud flap or bumper on your Summit XM. But that seems to be it for now. I wish I was able to tuck this down a little bit, but what can you do about it, I guess? Still looks mint either way. Now it's just missing a bumper, which I should hopefully have soon. But I'm just gonna step back for a little bit and then just look at it, because looking at the sled, like on the freaking milk crates, looks pretty cool. I'm gonna run over to the road and just see what it looks like, just to show you guys what it looks like from the road, because it looks even better from over there. Okay, we're on the road. Like driving past here and just looking, it looks so cool. Parked there on the lawn. Well, that's what I wanted to show you. So yeah, well, picked up all my tools now. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope that helped you if you needed help or just watching for the fun time. But just missing a back bumper now, which I don't know when's gonna be here. Hopefully soon, so I can get that power coated. And yeah, I'm not missing that much left of the build. I would like to I'd like to find some black rails. I'm gonna get some 9-inch back wheels. It's currently 7 inches, the stock ones. I want the purple 9-inch wheels, and try to find a door on Marketplace or something, so that it doesn't have that broken one, and replace all these orange plastics parts. I replaced most of them last year. The GoPro died, but I'm filming on my phone now. But yeah, I was saying I replaced most of the orange last year, and now I'm only have to replace those, the trunk and the rails. And there's a few other mods I want to order for the thing, but that'd be later on or throughout the winter. I'm currently only running on my summer money right now. And I have to find a part-time job soon. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe, and see ya.